Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best hair curlers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. 1.25 inches curling iron. Opening the list of the best hair curlers is Anju 1.25 inches curling iron. If you want professional-looking curls or waves and don't have time to visit the salon, then this unit is perfect. I love the Anju Tourmaline ceramic curling iron for its good build, which assures a user of reliability and durability. It comes in a compact styling for smooth operation and has a smooth finish for extra comfort. In addition, the fast heating device requires only a few seconds to reach the desired temperature and will maintain consistency for the best results. In addition to shortening the operation time, the fast heating helps to keep the cost of power low. The Anju Choice All Anju products come with a 12-month warranty and exquisite after-sale support team to make sure you're fully satisfied with your purchase. At number 4. Oval Hair Curling Wand. After carelessly ruining my Xtava hair curler, I decided to look for a better one. And coincidentally, it came from the same brand. This one felt more solid and could handle even coarse hair better. The unit is perfect for home use as well as commercial application thanks to its wide temperature setting and good engineering. On top of that, I've dropped, banged, and scraped it against objects quite often but still looks new. What's more, it's the fastest heating hair curler I have ever handled, and I also like the even heat that delivers excellent, long-lasting curls. The surface doesn't get too hot even when used for long periods and is also easy to wipe. The Xtava IT Oval Curl Hair Curling Iron is designed with all the smart features you're looking for, universal dual voltage so you can take it on your next trip abroad, 22 digital temperature control settings for all hair types, 60-minute auto shut-off function and 8 feet 10 inches 360-degree swivel cord, and includes a heat-resistant glove and travel case. At number 3. Hair Curling Wand with Tourmaline Ceramic Coating. One of the best hair curlers falls to Myropure Hair Curling. You'll soon forget about visiting the salon or hairstylist for curls once you acquire this unit. The hair curler has been in the hairstyling scene for some time and is still proving to be a top choice for amateurs and professionals. It is liked by the beautiful design, which together with the superior technology, provides sleek and trendy curls. Moreover, the hair will look soft, uniform, and shiny and maintains its looks for a long period. The good heating works well on different hair types and adjusting the temperature is simple and straightforward even for a beginner. The salon-level curling wand help you reduce static and frizz for healthy-looking hair with extra smooth tourmaline ceramic surface to get superior performance. At number 2. 5-in-1 Professional Curling Iron Set. If it wasn't for a careless accident, I believe I would still be using this best hair curling iron set. The item delivered profession results despite its fundamental nature. It has excellent heating capabilities and should be hot in a few seconds. Selecting the preformed temperature is very simple, and I loved its consistency which provided sleek and smooth hairstyles. Furthermore, the fairly long handle is very ergonomic and you won't get tired even after extended operation. It becomes cool within a short time, making it perfect for people in a rush or travel. The long power cord makes reaching power outlets easy, whereas the slick barrel prevents sticking or tugging of hair. Professional curling wave iron with 5 interchangeable barrels, a zip travel case, and a heat protective glove. It makes your curl beauty style easier and more convenient, and works as a great gift to send to friends or family. Please be advised, we have a 2-year warranty and money-back guarantee. Finally at number 1. 3-barrel curling iron wand 25mm hair waver curler iron. The material of the barrels is aluminum alloy, harmless to your hair when using, keep your hair smooth, shiny all day. The handle is non-slip silicone for easy and convenient use. A best holiday, birthday, Christmas, New Year gift for your loved ones. This 3-barrel curling wand features PTC heater, so it can heat up to max 410-210 in just 60 seconds. Easily adjust the temperature to suit your hair type. Great for curling professional hair wave, negative ion for hair care. The adjustable temperature settings is 230 to 410, 110 to 210. LED indicator light can show temperature, giving you total control in choosing the optimum temperature for your hair type. Easily get a silky, wave. Long-lasting perfect professional styling. Suitable for short or long hair, thick or thin, this 3-barrel curling iron works great. The ceramic curler produces negative ions that create soft, shiny waves without any frizz. This 3-barrel curling iron curl hair just take a matter of minutes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.